Hey everyone, if Brave browser notifications are not working, not showing alerts, or you're missing important updates, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get your notifications working again. First, make sure notifications are enabled on your device. If system notifications are turned off, Brave won't be able to show alerts. Next, check Brave's notification permissions. Yeah, a site may be blocked from sending notifications without you realizing it. If a website is listed under blocked notifications, remove it from the block list. I mean, blocked sites won't be able to send alerts at all. Brave shields can sometimes block notification scripts, so try turning shields off for the website you're testing. If your device is in Do Not Disturb mode, notifications won't appear. Yeah, make sure it's turned off so alerts can come through normally. Another important step is updating Brave. I mean, outdated versions can cause notification bugs or missing alerts. If notifications still aren't working, corrupted cache or cookies might be the reason. So clearing browsing data can fix the issue. Make sure Brave is allowed to run in the background. Without background activity, notifications may not arrive on time. If nothing works, uninstall Brave and reinstall it from the official website. This fixes deeper issues affecting notification services, and that's it. One of these methods should help fix Brave browser notifications not working and restore your alerts again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.